This whole setup for putting the top on up in the garage cost me all about $20. Just some tie straps and a 2x4 and some eye hooks. That was basically it. So don't go out and buy big elaborate systems. You're going to do the exact same thing. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see. No, that light is kind of in the way. So really, I'm just going to lower the straps. I don't have the ones that ratchet. I have the one that is like the little thumb thing you push, and it kind of releases the pressure. So I'm just going to do that, and I just do a bit by bit by bit, and work. Now I'm going to come over and lower this side. Always hold the one end, and then just let it down. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. And now I'm going to go up to this one over here. Do the same thing. Alright. And then come back here. Do one side versus the other side. Come back up here and lower it a bit more. At this point, I'll probably just hold it because this thing is really light. You're probably going to be surprised how light this top is. It's awkward, but it's light. So I'm just now removing the tie down from the front. So now the front is resting on the Jeep. And now I'm going to remove the 2x4 from beneath the back. Drop it down a little bit more to give me. There we go. Now it's off the 2x4. Alright, it's starting to get dark out now, but we'll see how much more we can get done here. So you're going to have these bolts here, and one thing with the Tuffy security on here, there are 4 of these that are already in there. Those 4 needs to come out. They will be here and here, and the same 2 on the other side as well. And so they're going to come out before you put the top on, and then they'll just go back in like that once you put the top out. So basically there's 1, 2, 3 on this side and 3 on that side. They all are the same. And then there's going to be up top, standing up over on top here, one that goes here and then one that goes on the other side. And that's for all of the bolts. So I'm just going to go ahead and tighten those up in there now. If you find it, this thing's not really focusing. If you find it's hard to find the hole on the other side, it moves around that one down there. It slides around. So I just put something in there and align it first without having that issue. And then at that point, it should just go right in, and then you can tighten it on down. Alright, so right now I'm on the driver's side at the back of the hardtop. So you'll see this hose coming out of the Jeep. That plugs into the hard top right there. That's just for the windshield wiper fluid right there. So you'll be able to clean the windows in the back. And then there's this plug here, and that'll be for the windshield wipers and the third brake light. So you just make sure to put those in. It clicks in, and you're good there. All right, these are the freedom panels. All right, kind of like T-tops from a old Corvette. So they makes it so you can pop it off and have the top off, or part of the top off. So they're going to go into that spot right above the driver's side. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to turn it off because I can't do both at the same time. All right, when doing the freedom top, secure it, you're going to have, this is the screen right here that I keep on. I just undo the Velcro that I have in this loop right here for when I want to put the freedom top back on. And always put the passenger side freedom top on first and then the driver's side. And then at that point, you just, let's see here. I always forget which way to get, oh, there we go. See a little, here, oh, the little foot right here. It's gonna rest on that. It's not really gonna hook up in there or anything. It's gonna push down underneath. You see how that went? All right, and then you'll do the same for the other side. And then you got, can you see that? You see these, that right there? You just rotate those. There's several of those. They kept help to hold it down. Just rotate them. And there's one in here. I just stick my arm in through one side and then rotate it down. There's one in the middle, in the rear middle there. And then I go to the passenger side and do that one. You can see how dark it is right now. And do that one as well. And the last thing to secure, let me go ahead and do this one here while I'm over here. There we go. And last thing are, there's two things we have to screw in here and one over here. Let me go find those. All right, so these are those. These are the final two things you need to screw in to make sure everything is nice and secure. So it says a long rod. See the hole underneath there? Just go up in there. Sometimes it can be difficult to find it, but just work at it. You'll eventually get it. Don't cross thread it now. See, now it's turning real nice and easy. See that? All right, so now I'll just do one more.